IninjaJo here, and today we are going to look at some putties and slimes.
Putties.
So the first one we are going to be looking at is Ghostbuster slime. Ectoplasm leaking damage. I mean danger. Yeah. So yeah. Ew. I take it this is not slime, this is putty. This is putty, not slime.
Okay. Ew. Oh!
Yeah, I know.
I just ripped it.
Ew. Oh. So it's got this weird putty sort of feel, but it's also quite sticky. And yeah, this one's quite weird. I'll give this one a 10 out of 10. That is good.
Nice and squidgy. It looks like
Fart test. Wait. There we go. Yes. Yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. Now that is what I call a putty.
What next?
Here we have Alien Splathead. Here it says, squish them, squeeze them, throw them. Squishing and squeezing is pretty much the same thing.
Okay, alright.
This is way more sticky than the last one. He's bringing out the whole thing. That is so weird.
And it just happens to be blue, your favourite colour. That's
yeah,
good.
that is cool. I'll give this one like 8 out of 10.
Look, next to your head, look. I'm going to give you a kiss.
I can't even. I can't see behind the camera.
Oh, sorry.
That's why.
Right, okay. Okay. Oh, it really sticks to there. Okay.
So, I've been wondering what this is going to feel like. So, it's called Bouncing Putty. Crazy Bouncing Putty, actually. And it is the pink and yellow version of it. Amazing moldable putty with bounce. Age 5 and up. Yeah, I'm 9. If you didn't know that. Obviously wouldn't know that.
Why won't this wrapping come off? While you're doing that, I'm just going to do this.
Thank you. Oh, that feels so cool. It feels like a cloud. It actually feels like a cloud.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Look at the way it stretches. That looks so cool. I'll get a bit closer.
Yeah, that was cool. Bit closer.
That looks so cool.
There you go. It's like,
It actually feels like clouds.
it looks like, out of focus. It looks like, like ice cream or something,
Yeah,
but in foam ice cream.
Oh, that's so cool. I'll let you try and get the yellow bit out quickly.
Okay.
So I got this out.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
You can play with the yellow bit. Oh! Ultimate satisfaction. Levels 3, 2, 1.
Hang on, hell.
Satisfaction. I need to do it again with your
Do again with that one.
ultimate satisfaction. 3, 2, 1. Tell me in the comments if that is satisfying or not. That is so cool. Yeah, this is 1 billion out of 10. Definitely. Literally 1 billion out of 10. Ugh, this is so weird. But really cool at the same time. Yeah, so this is 1 billion out of 10.
1 billion?
Out of 10.
Oh, of course, yeah, we got one more. We have
Nearly forgot about
play sand.
Oh,
Oh, let me get a close up of that.
I've seen kinetic sand videos, but I think this looks way more. It looks way more satisfying in real life.
That is so cool.
It looks way more satisfying in real life. If you've played with kinetic sand in real life, make sure to comment below, okay?
Oh, let me.
And tell me if it's more satisfying to watch in the videos or to watch in
it stays.
real life. Yeah, look.
Oh.
Moldable sand.
That is cool.
Oh, I'm going to try something. That is so cool. Sorry if I'm going a bit quiet occasionally, it's because it's so satisfying to play with.
I'm going to put the camera down here so you can actually see. So you can actually see what you're doing.
Ready? What are you doing?
I don't know. I thought it would be fun to squeeze your head.
This looks weird.
What are you making there? That looks a little bit rude. Don't do that. That's not good. Have you seen my mummy? My mummy, she's green. Mummy! Okay, right.
Sorry for my weird laugh.
That was a bit weird.
Sorry for my laugh.
Fine.
It's
It's
very
fine.
rare that happens.
All right. Do you want to play with the slime then, and then we'll just put this sand over here to one side.
Yeah. What is this stuff? Oh, it's really cold. Listen to that.
No.
Is that not satisfying to look at as well? Ultimate try not to get satisfied video. Oh my god. After playing, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I mean 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I get confused. I've forgotten what the scores were.
10
have a-
out of 10.
should we have a little-
10 out of 10? 10 out of 10 definitely. 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This is the only 9 out of 10. It's too sticky. If you don't like sticky things, I don't recommend getting it.
It's only sticky because it's like a thin rubber.
It's splatball.
And this one.
Listen to this. You can probably hear it.
That's gross.
Anyway, I'm going to put
Sounds
this
like,
stuff away so we can do a chop test. Wait a minute. I'm going to go get the scissors quickly. That might entertain you with squishing things.
This sounds like when you know when you drink too much water and then you jump up and down.
Yeah, have you ever had that happen to you before? Let me know in the comments. There's going to be a lot of comments.
Oh yeah, kids, be careful playing with scissors. You shouldn't play with scissors. You should get an adult like me to help.
Good.
Okay, chop test passed. I'll give that a
Oh, this is stuck.
5 out of 10 for the chop test. It's not that satisfying. It's not actually that satisfying to chop. We're not going to chop this, of course.
Splat it.
We're not going to chop this, of course, because I already know what's in here. Liquid. So we're not chopping you today. Maybe in another video.
Chop test. And a drop test at the same time. Okay, so
I rate that 10 out of 10.
you wait.
I rate that 10 out of 10. Last one to chop, which is the ectoplasm. I'm not going to chop the sand. Maybe another video.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Chop test. Oh, it looks like it looks like rubber, but like really soft rubber. You know, like a bouncy ball rubber, but really soft.
Okay, stretched out.
Chop test.
Oh, Yeah, I rate it 1 billion.
1 billion.
Oh, it's so smooth on the inside. Sorry for the awkward silence. I'm not really awkward, it's just the silence. Anyway,
Yeah.
so this video is getting a bit long. So, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. So, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do, we'll see you in the next video. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! Are you going to stop?
No.
Come on.
Okay.
One last.
Say goodbye. So sit down and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Hoo-yah! Hoo!